In this video, I'll show you how to start a free trial of TradingView and access its premium features. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official TradingView website. Once the homepage loads, click the Get Started button to view the available subscription plans. TradingView offers several plans, including Essential, Plus, Premium, and Ultimate. The available plans and features may vary, so take a moment to compare them and choose the option that best suits your trading or charting needs. After selecting a plan, click the Start Free Trial button below it. You'll then be asked to sign into your TradingView account. If you don't already have one, you can create a new account using your email address or a supported sign-in option, such as Google. Once you're signed in, TradingView may ask you to add a valid payment method. Even though the trial is free, billing information is usually required, so the subscription can automatically renew after the trial period. Before confirming, carefully review the trial duration, renewal date, subscription price, and cancellation terms. When everything looks correct, confirm your subscription to activate the free trial. You should now have immediate access to the premium tools and features included with your selected plan. Remember, if you don't want to be charged, make sure to cancel the subscription before the free trial ends, and that's how you can start a free trial of TradingView. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.